Hi, I'm Lorna Kleidman, and this is Snatch Basics, Part 4. Now, we all know in any relationship, communication is the most important factor. There are times when we speak, there are times when we listen. Now, we have a relationship with the bell, and there are times when we want to tell it what to do, and there are times we need to listen, meaning feel for what it's doing and what it's telling us. Those times are particularly when the bell goes through the legs into the backswing and then starts to come back up and then through the legs. That's when we as lifters need to pay attention, listen, or feel for what the bell is doing instead of forcing it out of the backswing and aggressively pulling it from the backswing, which we've all done and many lifters do. So we have to learn how to finesse the bell and feel for it as it goes into its pendulum and then back out. The pendulum is the way that the bell communicates with us, the lifter. So if we pull too soon out of the backswing and don't feel for the bell and just do what we want to do to get it up, we're going to wear out our grip sooner, and we're going to get our heart rate up sooner, which is going to make it, less likely to get the high results that we want. So an incorrect form or pulling too aggressively out of the backswing would look like this. This is what we want to avoid. Okay, that jerky motion, pulling it quickly. Okay, what we want to do again is feel for what the bell is doing, and as it comes back up out of the legs, you're going to deflect by extending the spine and then use your acceleration pull that we went over in the other videos. So that looks like this. So you're not forcing it, you're not overriding it, you are listening to it, feeling for it, and then working with it as it comes up. That's how you learn to communicate and feel for what the bell is doing. The relationship with the bell is really important. So you have to know when to move it and when to listen to it, feel for it. Okay? The only caveat to this rule would be if you're going at a fast pace, let's say 22 reps or above. Then you're going to kind of override waiting for that bell or feeling for that bell and kind of pull it up. But that's another lesson for another time and kind of outside the scope of this basic series, but we can go over that another time. But for now, just feeling for that pendulum and listening, communicating with the bell, letting it communicate with you. Okay, see you next time.